Welcome to Lesson 1 of the Understanding WordPress Posts course. In this lesson we will look at the basic concepts behind WordPress posts. We will be using the same lightheartedlimericks.com website as in our other introductory courses to explore the basic and advanced features of posts. Basically, WordPress has two types of content, pages and posts. Now, it's important to stress that these are not traditional web pages, but rather content types. What do we mean by that? Well, basically, they're simply entries in a database. Each content item that you create consists of a title and then the content. This is true for both pages and posts. Well, let's look. I'm logged into our website that we're going to be using. It's a website to promote a book, Lighthearted Limericks. Now, what we are going to do is add some posts and show how to manage them properly. At the moment, we have posts. We've given them a title, our news, and these are the posts that are there at the moment. You can view them from our blog, and there they all are listed one after the other. Good. Now let's go into the administration area, the dashboard if you will. And there we see the two content types that we're concerned about. Posts and pages. First of all, if you click on pages, you will notice a list of all the pages. And similarly, if you click on posts, you get a list of all the posts. Now, when you create a new content item, it's simply given an ID number and is plonked on top of all the other pages and posts that are already in the database. So if I hover over the title of a post, down in the taskbar you will see that this is post number 98. Tis the season was post number 58. And the same is true for pages. If I go to the list of pages, so About Limericks was post number 17, Glossary is post number 24, How to Write a Limerick is post number 90, About Us post number 14. So posts and pages are dealt with the same. They're plonked in the database. Each time you create a new one, it's given an ID and boom, there it goes into the database. So when you're here, you could click on Add New. So when you create a new post, you get a field where you can put the title, and a little bit lower down you get an area where you can put the content. Once you've added the post title and content, you click on Publish, and that's the time when it gets plonked into the database. Let's go and look at Pages, Add New. You see exactly the same thing, a field for the title, and a little bit lower down where you add the content, and then you click Publish, and at that point it's given an ID number and plonked into the database. So pages and posts are essentially the same thing, but how you get them back, how you view them is different. Basically, let's go back to our website. So About Us was a page. You access it by the menu. So here we have Christmas Limericks, and there is the page about Christmas Limericks. So pages are accessed by adding the link to them on the menu. That's how you get hold of pages from the database. So when you click on a page link in the menu, WordPress goes to the database, finds the title and content, and then puts together the page and sends it back to us. Posts are dealt with differently. You access posts in general by lists. What do we mean by lists? Well, they're called lists, they're called indexes, they're called archives. As a general rule, all the posts will be displayed. Well, let's have a look. Our blog. So here they follow one after the other in the time sequence that they were created. So this is a list or an archive of all the posts. You can manage that. Let's go to the dashboard in our settings. So in the settings, how you read. So we've said we want a page called our blog to display posts, and I'm going to change that to 2. Okay, so just for now, let's go back and now view our blog. Again, there's 1, 2. So because we said we wanted to display only 2 from the database, it gives you the 2 newest ones, and then it says, well, you can view the older ones by clicking here. So it'll give me the next 2 older ones, 1, 2, and well, there are some more. Not sure how many there are. Okay. So I can see newer posts. So posts and pages are the same. They simply plonk in the database, but how you get them back is different. So in the next lesson, we will actually look at how to create a post and manage it.